Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video here, we're going to go over Terra Classic. So right now we're trading at 0.06356. 24-hour volume, we're up 87.19%, and market cap, we're up 45%. Heading over to the chart here, I've got 4 time intervals our video is going to cover today. So 1 week, 1 day, 2 hours, and then 30 minutes. Starting off here on our weekly chart, you guys, we have a good area of candlestick here, pumping right through areas of resistance from our fib chart. As we can see in the previous sessions here, price came down, retraced up, huge volume coming down, and then another volume here. So as we can anticipate in the next couple of weeks, price for Terra Classic is going to come back down to an accumulation phase until we can get more volume up. If we take a look at the RSIs here, starting off on a weekly chart, we have our K line at 68%, and then our D line at 36%. So we can only anticipate that the price is going to continue upwards as well. Going into our daily chart here, we see beautiful green candles, 3 white soldiers as represented, 1, 2, 3. Price is continuing to trace up as the Bollinger Bands are expanding, higher volatility. Price is going to move fairly quickly here. And on a daily chart here, we can see our K line is at 100% and our D line is at 100%, even though we're considered to be overbought. Eventually, price is going to come and cross over at this section, initiating a sell trade opportunity. And we can see we're above our 20 MA and our 50 MA in this short trend here as secondary uptrend, so long as we're continuously making some higher peaks in this our trend line itself, and we're not retracing closer to the 78%. As our fib charts show, we don't have an area of convergence, only at this area of 78% and 23%, which is equivalent to 0.0646. So if we're going to see some price decrease and retracement at this level, because we may see in the next couple of days the trigger is going to show us that we do have a selling opportunity. Price is going to be highly confluence area around this area here, and as the volume continues to go up, is not supported by our volume is decreasing. So we're looking for short entry trades until we can be able to see a reversal at a supported area. And then our MACD indicator shows very strong histograms as the trend itself is increasing. Going into our 2-hour time frame, you guys, again, areas of confluence that we can take a look at of our convergence, excuse me, of these two fib charts is 38% and 50%. So as we see our RSI showing, again, considered to be overbought as we are retraced closer to the upper band of our Bollinger Band. And as soon as we see that crossover, watch out for price to come down roughly around 0.0578 as we see the momentum grow with our MACD indicator. This is beautiful, as this is maybe the start of this trend, maybe the middle of this trend, but so long as these lines are further away, it is going to be strong momentum and possibly breaking this area of resistance. And lastly, our 30-minute chart here. We've already seen this really nice retracement level. It's not as shallow, which is very nice to see, holding support roughly around the 50%. And take a look at this node here, very popular at this trading number of 0.0628. As we see the volume decrease, it may not be supported up an uptrend, so we want to take a look at shorter trade entries when the entry itself presents itself. Once we take a look at the MACD indicator, we do see a little pinch as we were coming down to 78% of our fib, and then we see the progression and expansion of these two lines strong in the momentum of this uptrend, and we are most likely going to retest this resistance at 78% of our fib, which is equivalent to 0.0688. So that's my video here to cover Terra Classic, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to catch you in my next one. Like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.